Suchin, professional digital marketer. Today I came back with one more interesting topic. Thinking about what it is, it's none other than creating posts for Instagram feed. Are you thinking that why we need to know about all these things? We know just simply taking our images and uploading it. So that works for your personal account, not for your business account. If you would like to upload the post on your business Instagram feed, you have to create in a professional way. So, but how can we create the post in a professional way without knowing graphic designing? We can do it by using some effective tools. So today we are going to learn about how to create a post to upload on our Instagram business feed using a free tool called Canva. So how to create a post for Instagram feed? Canva. Canva is such an amazing free tool so that you can design your business post in a professional way without the help of a graphic designer. Okay, it's a free tool and it's very simple. You just sign up with your Gmail ID. Okay, let's go and have a look out to how to create the post for your business feed. So I already have a Canva account. You just simply log into canva.com and create your account with your Gmail ID. You just sign up with your Gmail ID. Otherwise, if you want to log in, you can log in with your, you can create your credentials also. But I have created my account by signing up with my Gmail ID. So when you sign in into your Canva account, the homepage will look like this. Here, see, this is an amazing tool to create posts not only for the Instagram, for all the social media things. In addition to creating the own social media post, you are able to create presentations, you are able to create newsletters, logos, everything you can create with the help of Canva. Canva where has default designs. Some free templates will be available and pro templates will be available. If you want to make use of it, the pro designs you can make use with the watermark. If you doesn't want the watermark, you have to convert your free account into the premium account. But I am using the free account. Okay, so here you can see my feed. I have designed a lot many posts using the Canva tool. Today I am going to show you how to create for Instagram post. Here you are seeing that Instagram post template is available. Just click that Instagram post. Here it is showing the pixels also, how dimensions also. So Instagram post, just click on the Instagram post. Instagram post. In the left hand side of the page, you are seeing the tools, right? Templates, uploads, photos, elements, text, videos, background. But here I'm saying a very required and important elements to create a post. I'm not going in detail regarding the Canva tool, but of course I am explaining as much as possible here. In these templates, you can select your templates. Which template you would like to use for your post, you can template it. Okay, uploads, you can upload your own images if you would like to use the images. See how many images I have uploaded to my feed. So you can make use of it. Simply you can download the images from the Google and you can upload it from your laptop here by clicking on just upload an image button. If you have any images ready, you can make use of it. And just for the showing purpose, I am just showing you and just clicking on the image available here and click on open. It will be available. If you doesn't want to keep it in your feed, you just delete it. That is what the usage of the upload option. You can upload your own images or own videos from your laptop. If you want to make use of your own images and videos to create the post for the business Instagram account, you can create it. Just to show you, I have uploaded my image and I doesn't want to keep my image in the feed, so that's why I have deleted it. And the photos also, photos means the default photos available in the Canva. Okay, Canva website are available here. If you want to make use of these photos, you can make use of it for any of your post. Otherwise, you can download the images from the Google. And what are all the better apps? If you download the images from Google, you are subjected to the copyright. But there are some websites available to download the images without any copyright issues. These are nothing but FreePic, Pixabay are one of the best websites to download the free images. Elements, you can make use of elements for the design purpose. I will show you one of my post which I have already created on Canva. So this is what the template I have selected. You can change the background of the template you have selected. There is no need to keep that colors itself. You can choose your own templates. You can change the background colors of the template. Otherwise, if you want to go with plain like this, see here, you are seeing the background color button, right? By clicking on this, you can make use of the background colors if you click. So in this way, you can change the background of your images also. If you have selected the templates from the Canva website, you can also change the backgrounds for the same. Uploads I have already covered. Photos, if you want to make use of any of these images for your post, you can make use of it by just clicking on the selected image. It will be on your post, so you can drag and drop it, you can crop it. See, you can make use of the crop filter. I am explaining each and every feature as much as possible, but I am not going in detail. So why? Because here we are having a look at how to create a post for the Instagram film, not regarding the Canva tool, but simply I am explaining. Without knowing the basics of the tool, you can't create, without having an idea of how to use the tool, you can't make use of it effectively. So I am giving you the brief of all the elements here. So by clicking on the elements, so you are able to see the shapes, frames, everything. You can make use of it. If you want to make use of the circle shape, you can make use of it. See, colors. So if you want to change the color of this circle, you just click on the background color image, and you can make use of the photos of the colors of the photos which you have already selected. In this way, you can make use of it. Every element, design templates for videos are also available. If you want to make a video with this, changing the backgrounds of this, otherwise with changing the text upon it. So if you feel that corresponding video, the respective video is suitable for your business promotion, you can make use of it. Background, simply I told you now, instead of plain background, instead of the templates given, you would like to use some other backgrounds from the Canva tool, you can make use of it from the background button. So folders, if you want to create, if you want to store your all your post with separate folder name, you can make use of it here. So you can make the animations for the you can turn your image post into a video post by adding the animations to that. Such an amazing tool Canva is. So without having any designing knowledge, you can design your post in an effective way. So here you are seeing that untitled design button. You can name your post. I am just naming it. So I don't want to use any of this, so I'm simply striking it off. Templates, I'm looking at it. If any of these templates suits my post, if you would like, if you want to go with you, you can search for the templates also. I'm searching with business templates. I would like to have professional templates. So you can also search whichever are available, they will appear in this feed. If you feel that this background image suits your post, then you can make use of it. Otherwise, if you would like to see here, this is a premium one, you can make use of. If you download this figure, you can you are able to post your you are able to upload your post with Canva watermark. If you don't want that Canva watermark, you can change the background. then Canva watermark will not appear. If you use the same image, then the watermark will be there in your post. If you doesn't want to upload your post with the watermark, you can either change the background, otherwise you can either change the template here. Okay, now coming to the main topic, how to create. I'm choosing the background here. I'm going to create the background with plain background. Otherwise I can choose it from any of the templates which I felt it is suitable for my post. So I'm making use of this post. So this is simple and easy. So that is why, but I don't want to keep the background colors as same. So I'm going to change it. I don't want that green to be there. So I'm making use of it. Otherwise you can, whatever the colors you would like to change, you can. So this is how I would like to keep my background. Fonts, I did not like it. So by clicking on the text option here, you are able to see. If you would like to choose any one of these templates, you can simply click on that, so that you are able to type your text in that same font, same font. Otherwise you would not like to go with that. Okay, and you just click add a heading, add a subheading, add a little bit of text, whatever you would like to choose, you can choose with it. I have just simply selected the image from the from my uploads gallery. So if you don't doesn't like this font, you can also change this font. By simply clicking on the drop down, you are able to change your font as per your wish. If you would like to change the background of your image as per the photos also, you can change. Thinking how it is, you just click on the background. See photo colors, you are able to see here photo colors, right? You can change the background colors from the photo colors if you would like to match your background with the image itself. Now see how the background looks like. I have changed the font to. But make sure that your post is as professional as possible. So with whatever the designs you are convenient, you can design your post as per your wish without depending on anybody. So it's my company post. I'm using my logo here itself. I just made this post as simple as possible. If you would like to make it more complicated, you can make use of it. I'm just simply showing you how to make use of all the elements available on the Canva tool. You can change the text color from here. So I would like to make sure people know how to connect with us. So I am giving my contact number here, and as I am publishing it from my business account and I would like people to aware of my company, so I have uploaded my logo too. So that is the best way to design a post. I hope you all know and how the business pages are designing their post on your website. I know you are all using Instagram accounts and you're all following so many business accounts and personal brands, everything. If you can make use of it for your personal branding also. No need to go with only business account. You can also make use of it as a business account for your personal branding. So whatever are important, what I would like to communicate to the people, to the visitor through my post, I have mentioned all the points. So my logo, my contact information, and what are all the services we are providing as an introduction post to my company. Yes, it seems to be very simple, but I have designed it to show you. Okay, once everything is ready, just click on the download button. You will simply download the post. PNG suggested will be default one. If you would like to change your saving format, you can change it from here. If you would like to save it as a PDF, if you would like to JPG, if you would like to save it as a JPG, you can save it from here. Otherwise, if you would like to make any changes, if you would like to add animation from this to your post, you just click on your animate and choose the options available here. This crown symbol, they're all premium ones. If you have a premium account, you can make use of it, otherwise you can't. So I would like to add animation for my, you just simply click outside of your image so that you will your animate option will get highlighted. Just click on that animate button and select the animation effect whichever you want here, block, fade, pan, whatever you would like to. This is how your post will look. So once you have added animation to your image, it will turn into a video. Otherwise, if you would like to remove the animation, you just simply click on none. Okay, after all the necessary changes are done, you just simply click on the download button. PNG suggested will be default one. Otherwise, you can choose your suggested format, your required format. If you would like to save it as JPG or PDF, whatever it may be, you can save it in your required format and click on the download option. It will take a moment to download it, so you have to wait. to get my post ready. So the post got downloaded. So I'm downloading it into my desktop. Okay, with this we are concluding the part of how to create a post for Instagram feed. So guys, if you have any doubts regarding how to use the Canva app, you can just direct message me on my Instagram feed, digital Shravani. You just follow me at the rate of digital underscore Shravani. And you have any doubts regarding your Instagram usage, Instagram, how to create the posts and how to make your business account secure, and how to make your securing option is not available for the business account. So how to make your private personal account secure, and how to switch your personal account into professional account. So any doubts regarding your Instagram profile, you can direct message me on my Instagram profile, so at the rate of digital underscore Shravan. Thank you.